Hi everyone, thanks for tuning back into my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I cook my broccoli with shrimps in it. So it's called a broccoli shrimp recipe, okay? So basically I'm just starting off with 1 pound of shrimps and I'm seasoning my shrimps, you guys. The seasonings that I'm using is seasoned salt, Morton seasoned salt, Mrs. Dash lemon pepper, black pepper, parsley flakes, smoked paprika, accent, and chili powder. And all I'm doing is just mixing it in there like so. I'm getting my skillet, y'all, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter to the skillet. And as you guys can see, apparently I had water in the skillet because that's why it's popping like that, okay? So once the butter is melted nicely inside the skillet and it's, inside, you know what I mean. Add your shrimps, you guys, and all we're basically doing is just sauteing our shrimps. So I'm going to keep flipping that and sauteing it until it get brown on both sides. All right, you guys. So once our shrimp is sauteed, I'm just putting it on the side. All right, and it is time to cut our broccoli and salt them on a napkin so we can dry all of the excess water that's inside of the broccoli. All right. Once we dry the broccoli off, we're going to add it to a skillet. All right, y'all. So in this skillet, I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm just going to let that butter melt. And I'm going to add in my broccoli, my dried broccoli. Now what I'm actually going to be seasoning my broccoli with, you guys, is a little bit of mesquite seasoning as well as smoked paprika. All right. So remember that is a little bit of mesquite seasoning as well as smoked paprika. And I'm adding in 2 more tablespoons of butter. And I'm just adding that on top of my broccoli, and I'm just, I'm mixing it in there so it can get all inside of the broccoli. That's basically what I'm doing, y'all. All right, I'm adding in 1 cup of water. And then I'm also going to be adding in 1 more tablespoon of butter. I'm going to put a top on it, you guys. Put a lid on and let it cook for 10 minutes on one side, okay? 10 minutes later, let's see how it's looking. This is how it's supposed to look. Now we're going to flip it over, turn them over, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're going to add in that 1 cup of water. All right, we're going to put a lid on it and let that cook for 10 more minutes. All right, y'all, so this is 10 minutes later. This is how you want it to look. Okay, so we're going to take our broccoli out of our skillet and we're going to put it in a strainer because we want all of that water, we want it to drain out of the broccoli, okay? Now, instead of wasting this water, seasoning all at the bottom of that pan, we're going to actually use that, okay? So to this water that you're looking at, we're going to add in 2 cups of heavy whipped cream. 2 cups of heavy whipped cream. We're going to add in 6 slices of deluxe cheese. It doesn't matter which brand y'all use. Honestly, I use the Walmart brand, and that is the deluxe Walmart brand. I actually love this brand of cheese, y'all. I'm also adding in 2 handfuls of Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to be adding in a little bit of smoked paprika and garlic powder, okay? As you guys can see, I love smoked paprika. I love it. I love the taste of it. So basically what we're going to do is just whisk that in there. We're going to start whisking. Continue to whisk, you guys, until you have a consistency of like a creamy, thick and creamy. Not that thick, but like you can actually see it gets thicker, okay? So creamy, keep on mixing until it get creamy, and to me it looks like it's creamy enough. Now we're going to take our shrimps that we put to the side earlier, and we're going to add that to our cream. And also that juice that's inside of that skillet. Do not waste that juice, y'all. That's all y'all seasoning. Add in our broccoli, and we're just going to mix that in there like so, y'all. All right. Just giving you guys a close-up on how it's supposed to be looking. I'm going to actually slow it down just to show you guys how it's supposed to look. All right. That's how it's supposed to be looking, you guys. If it ain't looking like that, y'all ain't do something right. All right. So now we're going to add our top because it's basically done. We're going to add our top, put our lid on, and we're going to let this go for 3 more minutes on super duper low, basically like you're warming it, okay? Super duper low, 3 minutes, basically like you're warming it, okay? 3 minutes later, you guys, let's see how it's looking. And there you have it, y'all. My mouth-watering shrimp broccoli. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, don't forget to love one another. God bless and peace. See you guys in the next video.
Some people will despite you and things like you. Let me speak my truth now. Yeah, hey. No matter what they say, they cannot stop me. They're sleeping on my talent, but they gon' see. Been getting out the mud since a youngin'. I'm never gonna lose, cause I'm gon' win. Real music you could dig, you could feel it. The mic is my new black, so I'm gon' kill it. I'ma keep on dropping hits till y'all hear me.
Proverbs 3, 5, and 6 says, trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path.